AmaHawks athi uphenyo oluqhubekayo mayelana nenkohlakalo esibhedlela saseThembisa seliholele ekutheni abathintekayo kulobugebengu bangenwe amanzi emadolweni ngenxa yokwesaba ukushushiswa.
This arrest has shown us that we are rattling feathers. That is why now those who are allegedly involved in these illegal acts pertaining to corruption in Tembisa Hospital are now panicking.
Kubikwa ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu ummangali oyisikhulu samaHawks wacelwa umsolwa oyiphoyisa kulo loluphiko ukuba msize mayelana nophenyo olwayamene nenkohlakalo esibhedlela iThembisa waphinde wathembisa ukumfumbathisa.
On Friday, we had our member, a sergeant in the DPCI, unfortunately, who went to consult with the investigating officer in the case, in the corruption matter in Tembisa, and indicated that there was a Tembisa official who wanted to meet with him and he needs assistance pertaining to this ongoing investigation that is linked to the hospital. And then he also further indicated that this Tembisa official is prepared to pay gratification so that he can be assisted to avoid prosecution.
Izolo labasolwa ababili bahlangane nomphenyi wenkohlakalo kulesibhedlela basebezama ukumfumbathisa imali engaphezulu kuka100,000 wamarandi nokholele kuboshweni kwabo.
The three made an arrangement and they met on Sunday. So by then, the Serious Corruption Investigation Unit was already alerted by the investigator and they had obtained authorization from the DPP to execute an operation. After the money was handed over, an amount of 100,000, that is where now the Serious Corruption Investigation Unit members arrested these two members.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhla zimbili kuZibandlela kanti uphiko lwamaHawks luthi kungenzeka abasolwa bathweswe amanye amacala.